Thank you, Gabe. Hi, everyone. My name is Adi Kulkarni. I'm a junior studying policy analysis and management in the College of Human Ecology. Along with Henry Manley, I founded Polici to help academic research organizations transform their technical findings into communications-ready content. While doing research together our freshman year, we realized how disconnected stakeholders are from the impacts of academic research, especially things like jargon and length getting in the way. We wanted to understand this problem, so we spoke to over 500 frustrated deans, researchers, and communication specialists across the country who told us that first, funding, support, and rankings depend on proven research impact. Second, communications is the fastest growing job class at universities. And third, the digital jump, which has been exacerbated by COVID-19, reveals a technical skills gap to turn complex research findings into communicable, distributable contents. So in sum, the problem is only growing in size, while resources to alleviate pressures from funding agencies, university donors, and administrators are only becoming thinner and thinner. For the past 3 years, the diverse multidisciplinary policy team has developed a novel technology that translate research publications into short summaries for communication teams to create impact statements. On the left is a long, dense research paper. On the right, you have one of policy summaries, which boils down the paper in terms of both length and complexity. No longer do these teams spend hours scouring pages of jargon, but instead get impactful takeaways in moments in the form of templated press releases, website posts, tweets, and much more. Polici generates website posts, tweets, and press releases that then make it easier for teams to add quotes, context, and color to content before sharing it with federal policymakers, funders, and even farmers. Deans of Communications license our software to expedite the generation of impact statements by 50% for their audiences, yielding to money saved, time back, and better results. Additionally, with Polici, clients get twice as much research to bring success stories to Senate chambers or deliver new tools around the farm. Not to mention, universities have the research seen by donors, prospective students, and funders far more often, compounding the research ROI for the institution. We sell to deans of communication by charging initialization fee and an annual per summary licensing fee, allowing us to meet universities of all shapes and sizes with affordable plans to service their unique needs. The research communication market at large is no joke. The National Science Foundation reports that over $150 billion are spent on communication efforts alone each year. Polici is attacking an immediate market of $7 billion, which consists of public land grant institutions and agricultural programs, which have an acute responsibility to improve the lives of residents in their state. Simultaneously, we're exploring applications across all types of academic research and the long term in the financial services and legal research spaces as well. This summer, as Blackstone Techstar Summer Fellows and in the Life-Changing Labs Summer Incubator, we beta tested with centers at Cornell, Duke, and the United States Department of Health and Human Services. This fall through eLab, Polici signed 3 letters of intent with deans at R1 universities and just signed 3 12-month deals to our very first customers, totaling 5 figures of revenue so far in 2021. Now we are in negotiations with 6 more land-grant universities, and we're planning to bring them to close early this summer. We're making progress reaching out to colleges and universities around the country. And if you can help us move the needle at one of these or any of the other universities that you may know, we'd really love to chat. Between the two of us, Henry and I have 8 years of research experience, and our data scientists are working as NLP and software engineers at Facebook, Amazon, and LinkedIn. Our team is advised by the chair of Harvard's economics department, a Microsoft product management executive, and Cornell engineering, entrepreneurship, and communication professors, among others. Together at Polici, we're revolutionizing the cadence and reach of academic research, informing the world's decisions with empirical work that has long been caught up in layers of bureaucracy or barred by complex language. And so we're looking for the following: connections to research centers and research faculty. Additionally, if you yourself are a research professor who wants to get the word out or know anyone that might, please send us a note. Second, if you have experience crafting software as a service platforms for universities, please let us know. And third and finally, if you're a mentor with experience in natural language processing and machine learning, we'd love to chat. Finally, you can find a demo of what we do at polici.org. We'd love to chat more about these 3 items or generally about our journey. So please reach out to Henry or myself at founders@polici.org. A special thanks to the eLab teaching team and our fellow entrepreneurs and you all for listening all the way to the end. Pass it over to Ken.